G'day folks. I'm going to try and grab a little bit of this before he flies away. That lovely little fellow is called a black-headed cuckoo shrike. Sorry it's a bit noisy here, but this is right on the road outside my house here. These are also known quite nicely too as a summerbird, because as winter starts to leave these climes, these guys migrate northwards from the south and always arrive around New South Wales and along the borders there in summer. So you can tell when winter's back is broken because these guys start coming back. They're beautiful. Got a really sort of graphite slatey grey back, kind of almost white breast, a very nice little beak, that beautiful black face and black head. I don't know the differences between the male and the female. Sorry about this plane going overhead. I'm really glad I got this guy. Just wait till this plane goes. And I've only ever seen two at a time. So they're really almost a solitary thing. They've got a really lovely little note when they sing too. But you don't hear it much. I've always liked these beautiful fellas. Seldom seen. You know when winter's finished, and you see the cuckoo shrikes or the summerbirds. I'm really rapt I got this. Every time I've tried in past, they've flown away. He's just sitting on the power line up there. Hope he's got a friend. Yeah, look, he's just turned around so you can see his back. I was watching some magpies collecting sticks the other day. So they know winter's finished, spring's on its way. It's still July, mid-July, but Australian native birds usually start breeding around August, September. Maybe a bit earlier this year. Anyway, that's the black-headed cuckoo shrike. Aussie birds rock. See ya.